So Brie and I's presentation is on solving rational equations.
The definition of a rational equation is an equation that contains one or more rational expressions. Easier to solve once the fractions are eliminated. You must find the LCD in order to do so.
Domain issues. So you cannot have 0 in the denominator, otherwise it would be undefined. So the definition of domain is a set of all values that an independent variable can have. So in order to find the domain, you need to identify the restrictions. So for this problem, I came down here and I factored this out. So x cannot equal -3 and x cannot equal 3.
So for steps 1 and 2, you label the restrictions and find the LCD. Then multiply everything by the LCD. So here's the LCD, so we multiplied everything. And then steps 3 and 4, once you've canceled out the denominators, you solve for x. So then you just distribute everything.
Okay, so to check your answer, you need to do a 2-column proof or a paragraph proof. I'm going to show you how to do a 2-column proof. So basically you just rewrite the problem and then you plug in x equals -1 for x, and then you just simplify it, and you just simplify again, and then add, and they should equal each other. So if they equal each other, you know your answer is correct.
So try this problem.
We're going to demonstrate on the board. Let's go. Over x minus 5. You can see the problem.
Sorry.
Minus 9 over x minus 4 equals 5 over x squared minus 9x plus 20. So to start out, we need to find the LCD. So we need to factor this. Plus 20. Factor it out. And then x minus 5 and x minus 4 work. So now this is your LCD. So you need to multiply everything by x minus 5 and x minus 4. And once you do that, then you can just start canceling things out. So x minus 5 and x minus 5, and then x minus 4, x minus 4, and then this basically cancels out the entire thing because that's the same thing as that. So then you just pull out what you still have. So 8 over x minus 4, and then minus 9 times x minus 5 equals 5. Then you just distribute. 9x minus 45 equals 5. And so you left with negative x, and that's 13 plus 13 equals 5. So negative x equals negative 8, so x equals 8.
There we go.
Okay, and then you should get, wait. I didn't want to do this right. Hold on. It's just gonna. So I'm gonna choose one.
So more than likely, it looked like your work was good to begin with on the board. So the answer they should have gotten, I believe, was
Yes.
8, correct?
No, I got 5/12 whenever I did it,
Okay.
but
But on the board, you got 8, and I thought that
yes,
looked good.
yes, I agree.
Okay.
So now you know how to solve a rational equation.
All right.